You're looking at the best one bedroom in Pelham Parkway. It's an older building, which means it's spacious, but it's fully renovated, the apartment itself and the building. There's a galley kitchen with a dishwasher, a nice deep sink, lots of cabinet space. There's soft close, so they don't slam shut. You have some drawers over here and a nice full-size refrigerator. Dining area right off of the kitchen. You're on Pelham Parkway, that's right there, and a nice big living room. I would have liked a closet right near the door, but you get two big closets right there. There's one and two. The bathroom's nice. The sink is a little outdated. I would have liked a floating vanity with some storage like this landlord has actually done in some of their other units, but I can't complain. Now, here's the bedroom, really decent size. There's an air conditioner right there, sliding doors in a very large closet. And if you want to know how sunny an apartment is, turn the lights off and see how much of a difference it makes. In this case, not such a difference. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty sunny apartment. Now, how does this compare with the unit right downstairs? It's $50 more at $2,600, so I'm guessing it's a little nicer. Okay, so sunlight is not as good, but you get a closet right when you walk in, which I like. I don't like the floors as much. Upstairs has hardwood, which is nicer. You have two more closets here, although one of them is a little smaller than the upstairs ones. So you get two closets here, plus the closet over there, but these two closets are a little smaller. The kitchen is very similar. It's a slightly different color scheme, and I kind of like this one a little more. It's just a little lighter. But almost identical. Same dining area. Again, you're facing Pelham Parkway here, so street noise is going to be a little louder. You're only one floor up instead of two. Sunlight does not compare at all. But here's why. Clearly, this apartment is more expensive. You've got your private outdoor space. Even with the noise, it's still pretty nice out here. It's a decent size. It's right off of your living room, and that's worth something. So $2,550 versus $2,600. They both come with some free rent, so net rent is even closer in price. An extra $50 for the outdoor space, but less sunny. Floors are not as nice. What do you think? Even upstairs, you can go for a walk outside. It's right there, but it's not private.